How to activate a new Cash App card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can activate a new Cash App card. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you happen to receive your Cash App card, whether virtual or physical, and then you would like to activate your Cash App card, it's quite fairly simple. Make sure that you launch Cash App, and once you launch Cash App, make sure that you are signed into your account. After you sign in, you will see this type of interface where you have to tap the card icon from the bottom. So first of all, if you haven't added your card, make sure to see the card here, because if your card has already been received, you'll find the card automatically. So right here you'll find the card option. Make sure to tap on your card, and when you tap on your card, you'll find an option here that says activate cash card. So all you have to do is just tap the activate option if you'd like to go ahead and then activate your Cash App card. This way you'll be able to activate a Cash App card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.